Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not letting you log out. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can cause issues. Try restarting the Roblox application or even your entire device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, attempt to log out from a different device or a web browser, as this can bypass device-specific problems. Next, clearing your device's cache and data for the Roblox application is a crucial step. On mobile, you can usually find this option in your app settings. If you're using a web browser, clear your browser cookies and site data specifically for Roblox. Corrupted data often prevents proper logout, and removing it can resolve the problem, allowing you to sign out successfully. If the previous steps haven't worked, a complete reinstallation of Roblox is often effective. First, uninstall the application entirely from your device. Then, download and reinstall the latest version directly from the official Roblox website or your device's app store. This ensures you have a fresh, uncorrupted installation, eliminating any lingering problematic files that might be preventing you from logging out. Finally, if you've tried all these troubleshooting steps and still can't log out, it's time to contact Roblox support. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the issue, including all the steps you've already taken. They can offer more advanced solutions, investigate account-specific problems, or guide you through further diagnostics to help you regain control of your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.